Hello guys, Steph here and welcome to another vlog. For today's video, we will be talking about this one. Yes, if you're thinking about insurance, you are correct, particularly life insurance. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated with the latest videos about personal finance, self-development, and life learnings. If you are watching this video, most likely you are here because of these reasons. Number one, you want to get life insurance. Or second, you already have a life insurance but you are not so sure what you're getting into. And lastly, you're just curious what life insurance is. So we will divide this life insurance topic into two videos, but for today, we will just discuss the definition and purpose of life insurance, facts about life insurance, what are the types of life insurance, and how would you know if you have the right insurance agent. But before we start, just a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor or a licensed insurance agent. So I am not in any way affiliated to any insurance company, so you can expect that all the things that I'll be talking here are pure facts and there are no biases to any insurance companies. I also have an insurance, but before I made my decision or bought that insurance, I also made a thorough research about it, okay? So just to be clear. So let's start by defining what life insurance and its purpose. So life insurance protects us, especially our families, from sudden loss of income due to the unexpected events of life like death, accidents, or illnesses. You will be paying an amount called premium to the insurance companies. So for example, namatay ka, your loved ones or what we call the beneficiaries will receive an amount called the death benefits. So that's how it basically works. If we are just talking about the simple definition of life insurance. So basically, it is protection. This is the reason why before, ang hirap ibenta ng life insurance kasi hindi mo nakikita yung actual product. Tapos yung benefit, na-avail mo pa siya once you die at hindi pa ikaw ang nakakagamit nun, your loved ones. Kaya ngayon, insurance companies are thinking of better ways to market their product by adding certain features like investments. So I think naririnig niyo na mostly yung VULs or Variable Unit Linked Insurance or Variable Life Insurance. But we will be discussing that one later part. Let us now discuss some facts about life insurance. Number one, life insurance is not an investment. Let me repeat that. Ang insurance ay hindi investment. As what I've said previously, insurance is for protection and not for investment. Okay? So if binibentahan ka ng insurance agent mo tapos sinasabi niya na this is a good investment product, then that's a red flag. Because insurance, our purpose is to protect those na maiiwan just in case may mangyari sa atin. Bonus na lang yung investment. Okay? So it is not the best investment product to choose. Okay? If that is your goal, if your goal is investment, choose another product, not insurance. Second, not all insurance are expensive. Again, hindi lang VUL ang insurance. Meron tayong mga cheaper insurances like term insurance. So we will discuss the differences between the two. But baka kasi, ang sinasabi lang sa inyo ng agent nyo is, ito lang bilhin nyo, this is the only insurance product. But there are many other variants, okay, na mas makakatipid ka if hindi pa talaga kaya ng budget, you can go for term insurances. Number three, insurance should be based on your needs. This is very important because this will also define the amount of premium that you will be paying. So make sure that your insurance agent is really assessing your needs. Meaning to say, magkano ba ang budget? Importante yan. Dahil baka hindi mo na mapagpatuloy yung payment dahil kapos ka pala sa budget. Another thing is the insurance coverage that you need. Yung expenses mo, yung financial goals mo, ilang years pa ba, so something like that. So it is really important that your financial advisor will discuss this one to you. So let's go to the types of life insurances. So we have two categories. Number one, the traditional life insurance. So under the traditional life insurance, we have term insurance and we have whole life insurance. And the second one, we have the VULs or the Variable Unit Linked Insurance or the variable universal life. So I will not discuss too much on this because I'll have a separate video for you to understand this one. So what are these term insurances? So the definition, the basic definition for this is you are just insured or entitled for the death benefits for the period that you are paying the premium. So kung hindi ka na nagbabayad ng premium, hindi ka na din insured. Okay? And these term insurances are just purely for protection. So you are just entitled to the death benefits. Walang investments. Okay? You can also choose to add riders na, for example, for critical illness, but we don't have investments coupled for this insurance. The next type of life insurance, the most common one, are the VULs. So the variable unit linked insurance or the variable universal life insurance. So the simple definition for this is, it is life protection plus investment. So para siyang 2-in-1. So again guys, i-discuss ko ang extensive na information about the different types of life insurances in my next video. Lastly, how will we know if we are talking to the right insurance agent? So we know naman that the commission of our insurance agents or our financial advisors are based on the premiums that we are paying. So that's the reason why some of them, most of them, are really aggressive in selling the insurance products to the point na parang ikaw matatakot ka na tuloy bumili or aatras ka na. Okay? But we cannot blame them because ito lang talaga yung wala silang basic pay. So it is just driven by the commissions. Okay? But we cannot deny the fact that we also have other good financial advisors. So how will we know that we are talking with the right one? Number one, the insurance agent assesses your needs. So this is really important. Needs assessment is really important because it will define how much coverage you need. For example, if you're getting VUL, what investment components will you get into? So something like that. Or for example, the budget that you need to pay for this insurance. So it is really important that your agent will walk you through the process. Hindi yung hala, basta sell lang ng insurance and very aggressive na just to close the deal. Okay? So tingnan nyo if your insurance agent is really concerned about your needs. That's really important. Number two, the insurance agent explains the pros and cons of the product. Mostly, aminin natin, our life insurance agents or the financial advisors are just merely talking about the positives, okay? Sometimes they ignore the negatives or the cons. And I believe as a consumer of the insurance product, I also need to know what are the negative sides of the insurance. Hindi naman talaga perfect ang insurance product. Not all insurance products are perfect. Meron talagang pros and cons. So it is necessary that your agent explains to you these things. Third, which I believe is also important, the insurance agent should also explain the fees. Okay? And if you are going to get VULs, it is important that your agent will explain to you how much will go to the investment portion, how much is going to the insurance fees or something, and will also disclose all the fees. It is not enough that the insurance agent will just give you the booklet or like the policy and will just let you read o basahin niyo lang po to and then return within 15 days, something like that. So it is not good that the insurance agent will do that. Dapat ini-explain yan to the client. Lastly, you are very blessed if your life insurance agent will conduct consistently an annual review for you. So this is important because magre-reassess din kayo ng insurance mo if it is needed na increasean yung coverage or something like that. Or if you are getting VULs, if you want to shift to another fund, so you can tell that to your financial advisor. You need an annual review for your insurance. I have here some tips before you buy an insurance. Number one, do some research. Do not buy an insurance if you do not understand it. Learn before you buy it. And then do not just rely on what your financial advisor is telling you. Do your own research. Second, talk to a person who is financially doing well but is not an insurance agent or not affiliated to any insurance company. The reason for this is para hindi magiging bias. Okay? So, para alam mo kung ano ba talaga yung needs mo. So, something like that. Ma-assess mo without getting a biased opinion. Lastly, do some scouting. Talk to different financial agents. Scout from different insurance companies. Because you can compare. You can compare the best insurance products for you, the prices, something like that. So, do not just buy immediately. Do your own research. Do your own thing. So to answer the question, do we really need life insurance? For me, it's a big yes, especially if you have dependents, if you're a breadwinner. We really need this one. But make sure, before getting a life insurance, be sure that you understand what you're getting into. Be sure you understand what you are buying. And make sure that your life insurance fits your financial needs. That's it, guys. I hope you were clarified about life insurances. But again, I will have a separate video to discuss in details about the types of life insurance, like the term insurance and the VULs. What are the pros and cons of these types of insurances? I hope you learned something about this topic. And if you do, please spread this or share this to your friends. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye!